Welcome back, guys. It's Mitsue here, and today we're going to review the DREVO Calibur V2 keyboard. Yeah. So let's get started unboxing. Where's my knife? So I'm going to start off by yeah, fuck. This is the inside of the keyboard. I have not opened it, so let's find out what's inside. Okay, so what is this? Oh, it's got a set of keycap pullers as well as, I have no clue what these are. Magnetic feet, I don't know, keyboard risers? What are they called? I don't know. Now, oh, the cable. So here's the cable. And here's the keyboard itself. I'm going to open that last. And inside the box, you got one sticker. I believe that's a sticker. And some manuals that I will never even open again. So here is the main keyboard, and I'm going to unwrap this beauty. Hopefully it came with red switches. So it's got a dust cover on too. Oh, I can't get it off. Uh-oh. How do I get the dust? Oh, there we go. So here's the keyboard itself. I think it looks great. So this is the DREVO Calibur V2 RGB 60% wired mechanical gaming keyboard. And please shut up, car. Now, this is compatible with both Mac and Windows, and it comes with either blue, brown, or red Otemu switches, as I'd like to call them Ubu Temu switches. Yes, you can toggle MacBook or Windows mode by clicking the function and tab key. If you can, if camera will focus, please do. There it is. So this keyboard also comes with a dust cover and a set of magnetic attached on feet. And is a very unique design that I have not seen on any other keyboards. Also, I'm not sponsored for this video, but if you guys want to, please sponsor me. Also, the keyboard is also connected through a Type-C wire. This keyboard is 60% and will fit onto your desk very nicely, and it looks very clean and slick to your desk setup. Now, it also has RGB lighting presets, which you can control by clicking function home. I think there's a total of I think maybe 6 presets. Anyways. Now this keyboard also has very cool side lights. It reflects off my table and it looks very, very cool. I think that just looks amazing. If you don't agree, I am banning you. Now this keyboard is just awesome and amazing for the price that it is offered at. It cost me around 70 Canadian dollars, which is around 55 US dollars, I believe, off the top of my head. And it's amazing for that budget. Although one downside is that it uses Otemu switches, which do not feel the best, but I really can't complain for the price. Compared to other 71 keyed keyboards on the market, I'm not sure if this is called a 60% or a 70%, but it has 71 keys. But I think this one is the best budget 60% keyboard there is, assuming that this is a 60% keyboard. I don't know. It's quite budget friendly, and it just feels quite good for the price. DREVO do offer a wireless model for this product. However, I went with a wired model because I'm not a big fan of wireless, as I fear they have connection issues or delays when I'm playing video games. It also saves you a bit of money. Because this is a small keyboard, it does take a little bit of time to get used to. The keyboard is missing the F function, F1 row, or the F1, I don't know, what do you call those? It's missing the F row as well as the grave key, which is actually onto the escape key now. If camera will focus. Oh yeah. There we go. But I'm sure you'll get used to this keyboard very quickly, as the main keyboard size is still the same. Click the like button. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay for the ASMR.